Hi, I'm Hurinka from UK Property Accountants, and today we're going to answer some of the most common questions we get about the Let Property campaign. If you're a landlord who's missed declaring rental income in the past, or if you've just realized you might need to make a disclosure to HMRC, this video is for you. Let's dive into it. So, what exactly is the Let Property campaign and who's eligible to use it? The Let Property campaign is a disclosure opportunity provided by HMRC designed to help landlords who haven't declared their rental income in previous years. Whether it was due to personal circumstances, a lack of awareness, or simply an oversight, the campaign is designed to help you get back on track with HMRC without facing harsh penalties. So, if you've been renting a property and missed declaring that income, or maybe you weren't aware you had to, this is your chance to make things right. Now, you might be wondering, is this just for landlords in the UK? The good news is no, it's not just for UK-based landlords. Even if you live abroad but rent our property in the UK, you're still eligible to use the Let Property campaign. In fact, if you're based in the UK and renting property abroad, you can also use the campaign. Let's talk about the next question that many of you have. How far back can HMRC go? HMRC can go back as far as 20 years. That means in 2025, if you've been renting property since 2006, you may need to go back and disclose your rental income from that period. If you've only been renting for a few years, then you'll need to go back to the start of your rental activity. The best part, you can always get in touch with us and we'll guide you through the specifics based on your situation. Alright, so now you're thinking, what records do I need to gather for my disclosure? The main things you'll need are your rental income and any expenses you've had over the years, and the addresses of your rental properties. We'll help you collect everything you need, and you can always ask us if you're unsure about anything along the way. Okay, here's a big question. What happens if I don't make a disclosure and HMRC contacts me first? If HMRC gets in touch with you, it's still possible to make a disclosure, but there are consequences. You may face higher penalties or even an inquiry into your tax affairs. That's why we always recommend getting ahead of it and making a voluntary disclosure. By doing so, you're more likely to receive a lower penalty and avoid a long investigation. So, what kind of penalties and interest should you expect if you haven't disclosed? First off, interest is charged on any unpaid tax, which is calculated based on the amount of tax owed. As for penalties, they range from 0% to 100% of the tax owed, depending on how serious the non-disclosure was. If HMRC contacts you first, penalties tend to be higher. But don't worry, when you work with us, you will go through your specific case and explain exactly what penalties you might face. Now, here's the good news. How do you get in touch with us to help you through the Let Property campaign? It's simple. You don't need to worry about notifying HMRC yourself. When you work with UK Property Accountants, we'll handle all the paperwork and notifications for you. We ensure that everything is submitted correctly and on time, so you can focus on your business and not worry about the paperwork. We'll help you prepare and submit your full disclosure and pay the tax owed within the 90-day deadline. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the Let Property campaign. If you're a landlord and you're worried about getting your rental income on track with HMRC, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're here to help you make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. Book your free 15-minute discovery call today so we can talk through your situation and get you the help you need. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you sort out your tax affairs soon.